Say to Paulo Cruzada, huh? Why can't you just stop harassing um, Shania Kiana, even Joseph Maspinas? Oh, after I move on with Arnel Guerrera Castillo, Best Pills, G. Macasadil, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Buddy Castro, and Teacher May Tiburcio, those arch enemies was, and you, Paulo Cruzada, you're always being abusive. You don't know what you're doing in social media, Paulo Cruzada. Meanwhile, Paulo Cruzada, I always curse you on YouTube because you are threatening to harass anyone, even Teacher Riza May Arcala, who was in United States. She is supporting Donald Trump, and that's her own opinion. Oh, for me, Paulo Cruzada, you have to stop. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you are in CDIFI. You're a former student there. You don't know who his Teacher Riza was. Huh? You know, Paulo Cruzada, you don't know how to stop. You're trying to harass people in social media. You know, Paulo Cruzada, why can't you just stop acting yourself stupidity? You are a piece of shit, Paulo Cruzada. You're acting yourself, you're an asshole, Paulo Cruzada. Paulo Cruzada, you have to stop. You don't know who you are. Remember, if you harass anyone, even Duterte supporters and Trump supporters, gave them a break, respect their opinion. Oh, for example, Teacher Gio Malana and Carl Magno Bilus, they are Trump supporters. My fellow Filipino Americans who were Trump supporters. Even Baham Hernando, Joseph Maspinas are Duterte supporters. Even Ate Isa was also a Duterte supporter. My fellow Filipinos are Duterte supporters. What is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada? Are you acting like yourself, Antonio Trillanes, Paulo Cruzada? You know, Paulo, Paulo Cruzada. What if Donald Trump and what if Donald Trump was a president of United States? What if Shigeru Ishiba was a prime minister of Japan? Will you harass the Filipinos who were in United States? They voted for Donald Trump. You want to harass the Filipinos who voted for who endorsed Shigeru Ishiba, the Prime Minister of Japan. For meanwhile, Paulo Cruzada, Joseph Maspinas had told to the Japan Embassy and US Embassy to cancel your Japan visa and US visa, Paulo Cruzada. You know, Paulo, Paulo Cruzada, I will not tolerate your actions. I will not tolerate your behavior. I will not tolerate your behavior, Paulo Cruzada. Even I'm saying, nananahimik si Teacher Riza, who was in America, in US, and you trying to harass her, and you call her Tabang Kalabaw. Paulo Cruzada, you are very disrespectful. You are in Las Piñas, you are very disrespectful. What if the FBI will see this, Paulo Cruzada? If Carl Bilus talks with FBI in the US Embassy. Paulo Cruzada, you don't know what you're doing. You're the another Best Pills The another best pills is Paulo Cruzada, the ally of Arnel Guerrero Castillo.